You first, DLSU second.
And I'm sure they have learned their lessons in those back-to-back losses.
Back to Poyos. That one scraping the net. Altea opting for a soft touch.
Oh.
Quick counter by Chuatico. Kept alive. It's still good. Ball is live. Cortez. Hermosura. Another long rally we have here. Carvalho. Back to Ange. And Poyo scores off the block.
Ange Poyos has been unshakable here. Playing with really high efficiency right now. This time going through the hands. And Carvalho just having the luxury.